Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about ovens. With so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming trying to choose the right one. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are our top 3 ovens on the market right now. Number 1. Samsung Na50X. We have the Samsung Na50X. This oven features a large capacity and a sleek, modern design. It also features a flexible cooktop with a dual-door design, making it easy to check on your food without letting heat escape. Number 2. G-Cafe Court 9070s. We have the G-Cafe Court 9070s. This oven features a large capacity and a built-in air fryer, making it perfect for those who want to cook healthy and delicious meals. It also features a Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to preheat the oven and monitor cooking progress from your smartphone. Number 3. LG LREL6323s. We have the LG LREL6323s. This oven features a spacious interior and a SmartThing cap, allowing you to control the oven from your smartphone. It also features a true convection system, which circulates heat evenly throughout the oven for consistent cooking results. And there you have it, our top 3 ovens on the market right now. Whether you're looking for a spacious interior, air frying capabilities, or Wi-Fi connectivity, there's an option for you. Let us know in the comments which oven you prefer. If you want to buy any product, the Amazon link is the description and comments. Check it out now. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.